Okay, so we've talked about how you guys have helped 125,000 children fill, which is the capacity of Madison Square Garden 6 times. What does that look like on an annual basis? How many children do you typically assist a year?
About 10,000.
Holy cow, that's a lot.
It is a lot.
Wow.
It is a lot of kids.
10,000.
And that's not just children that stay at the Christmas Box House. That's other programs in the state of kids that we can support, like holiday campaign, our Project Elf campaign that we have going on right now is a perfect example of that.
Gotcha.
We will, with the community support, provide up to 2,800 children Christmas.
Yes.
And those are not all 2,800 children that are staying in the Christmas Box House.
Gotcha.
Those are kids in foster care and staying with grandparents.
Oh,
and
wow.
they've just been identified as needing some additional support.
Yep.
So.
Wow.
It's an all-inclusive number.
Gotcha. So I'm reading some of these other statistics that we have here. The Christmas Box International is a volunteer magnet. Last year we drew more than 700 volunteers, providing nearly 5,000 hours of volunteer service. How does one volunteer for the Christmas Box House?
Yeah, and so that would have been, obviously that's 2019. 2020, we're still accumulating.
Yep.
But the reality is this year's going to look a little different.
Okay.
That's going to drop a tad.
Gotcha.
We still cannot have volunteers come in and work with the kids.
Oh, yes.
And, provide activities. Like, it's really cool because we'll have a group come in and put together like a barbecue for them. Or cool bikers will come in and let them like see their bikes, or there's just fun things that the community gets creative with.
Got
that
it.
we're not able to allow because of COVID. The kids to have that level of support, which is actually pretty sad considering
No kidding.
they can't do anything.
Right.
And now it's cold, and we have these pretty awesome playgrounds. I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty great. Very large space.
Got
for
it.
Kids in the yard.
Yep.
But it's cold.
Yeah.
So we don't, or there's inversions. So there's definitely limitations because of COVID.
Yes.
And the staff is very amazing. They're very creative.
Got
with
it.
What they can do internally, and there's classroom and constructive activities.
Yeah.
But up until it got cold, we could use volunteers outside, on a limited basis to help with like cleanup projects.
Right.
Or even in the facility with cleanup projects or helping with Project Elf. We're restricted on the number, of course, for social distancing.
Got it.
That we can have. So the numbers will drop for that reason this year, but we still can use volunteers in those capacities, like helping at the house and doing different projects. It's just not at the scale we were able to do that before. Hopefully COVID restrictions with vaccinations coming out will loosen that a little, and we'll be able to get back to some sort of normalcy and offer the kids some activities.
Right. Got it. Okay.
But people do love to volunteer at the Christmas Box House.
That's awesome.
It is, once you're there,
yes,
you're in. I mean, emotionally.
Oh, yeah.
You are.
I can imagine.
You're sold.
Yeah.
You're like, okay, what can I do to support? It's really hard to be there and not have that feeling.
Yes.
Of love and compassion. And the whole place was built based on volunteers and community support.
Oh,
so you know that. There's name recognition all over. There's a large tree in the vestibule donated by Modern Display. It just showers you with volunteer and community love. And so you naturally gravitate to, okay, I want to jump on board. That's fun.
Yeah.
So we do have some options. People can reach out to, myself, or go onto our website, and we'll figure something out.
Okay.
If somebody really wants to be involved.
Yeah. No, that's great. All right, we're going to take a quick commercial break, but when we come back, I want to talk about the holiday gifting program for people who want to be involved, because it's Christmas time. It's the 19th. I had to look at the calendar on the computer.
It's really almost Christmas.
It's almost Christmas, yes. So for those people out there who want to donate for Christmas presents and stuff, when we come back from commercial break, I'll ask Celeste to please kind of fill us in on that.
Okay.
Wonderful. All right, guys, stay tuned. Okay, before we part ways, in case you have a dog or know someone else who does have a dog, I wanted to take a quick second to show you the Snap Leash. The Snap Leash can literally do so many things, and I'm going to share with you one of the many cool things that it can do. As you can see, the Snap Leash is designed with 2 swivel hooks, one on each end. This end has a cushion stitched into it to make it comfortable when walking your dog. Now, all you have to do is take this swivel hook, put it into this very first grommet, and now you've got your handle. Okay, so now let's imagine you're at the park and you want to secure your pet quickly, safely, and easily to a park bench, a tree, or a pole because you just want to sit down and relax. Well, All you need to do is take this swivel hook, remove it from the very first grommet, wrap this leash around any size tree or pole or park bench, and put it into the appropriate grommet, and now you have secured your pet quickly, safely, and easily. And when it's time to head home, another great feature about the snap leash is you can simply wrap it around your waist for hands-free walking. Lastly, if you ever accidentally forget your waist bags at home, these grommets make a great place to fasten the waist bags so you never leave home without them. And if you want to see all of the other cool things that the snap leash can do, then please just click on the link below and find out why so many others are falling in love with the snap leash.